So we have a Sol-Ark 8K inverter charger here, and this is for a customer in Anguilla. We are sending it along with some of the simplified batteries. We have 15.6 kilowatt hours of batteries with this 8 kilowatt Sol-Ark inverter. So this is a hybrid inverter. We can connect 10.4 kilowatts of solar into this unit. Directly, it has 2 MPPTs. It has an output of 8 kilowatts AC. You can also connect it to the main grid and also a generator. So it looks at the availability of solar, availability of battery power, and then optimizes the use of solar. So let's have a look at it. So these are the components that the Sol-Ark 8K comes with. This is the wall mounting bracket. These are the toroids for the battery cables and the manual. And we have this is the connection box. This is where all the solar connections and the battery connections go. So this is just a basically cover to protect a user. It comes with, this is the Wi-Fi dongle that you use to connect the Sol-Ark to their monitoring system. These are the CTs or the limiters that you use. You hook this up onto the mains incoming to make sure that no power is exported back to the grid, or if you're doing peak shaving. So you have 2 CTs here, and then this is the battery temperature sensor, and this is the Cat5 Ethernet cable that you use for connecting to the batteries. If it's a system like the Simplify batteries where you have closed loop communications. And you can also use this cable for connecting multiple Sol-Arks together for parallel.